Use the Output button at the top to open the drawing and calculation output page. The functions of these buttons are as follows. Page settings. Add page. Add drawing. Add title blocks and labels. Add QR code. Clear all changes. Layout settings for a new elevator. DXF and PDF export. First, configure your page settings. Select the paper size you want to use for the output. For paper sizes other than plotter paper, you can change the page orientation. Adjust page margins. Select the language for the output. Adjust text size and line thickness. Finally, select the output color. If you want these settings to be applied automatically to all drawings, change the settings before adding the drawings. Add your first page. Select your drawings. You can adjust the scale and change drawing layers before adding the drawings. If you want to use the same section multiple times, you can duplicate it using the plus button. You can set independent scales and layers for each copy. You can change the scale and enable or disable dragging and frame visibility. Add a title block. Update the editable fields defined in the title block. If you use multiple title blocks and want to apply the same content to all of them, check the box. You can add QR codes by selecting the content you want to share. Add labels containing component information to the drawings. These labels may contain dynamic data automatically retrieved from the project. Drag and position them as required. You can save the output layout with a name to reuse it in different projects. Simply select and apply the saved layout in a new elevator project. Export, DXF output. You can set the number of pages in a single column for DXF outputs. If you want to remove the calculation QR codes, uncheck the box. When you click the Export button, the selected calculations are recalculated and your drawings are automatically placed starting from the remaining empty area on the page. You can also export PDF output directly. Navigate to the calculation output page. Select the language to be used for the calculation outputs. You can select any or all of the calculations that have been verified. You can download your calculation outputs in 4 different formats: DXF, PDF, JPEG, and Word. DXF export. Select the paper size you want to use for the output. For DXF output, you can adjust the number of columns and pages and hide QR codes. You can generate auto-scaled calculation outputs based on the selected column and page layout. PDF export. You can download your calculation outputs in PDF format by selecting the paper size. GPAC export. You can generate output images in GPAC format based on the selected paper size. Word export. You can download your calculation outputs in editable Word format.